Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the next in our Quick Start series. In this video, we'll be concentrating on our performance dashboard. As you can see, I do have the performance dashboard set up here, so we'll just go through the tabs here and let you get started to play around on your own. First thing to note here is the package name. So this is the browser view platform, and we can very easily see here that we have one device that's in an error state and 4 devices that are in a successful state. If we look here, we have our different device names, the number of tasks associated with that device, and if we hover over it, we can see exactly what type of task that is. We can see, is this particular device in an error state? And it looks like this one indeed is. Here we can see how many locations is it erroring in, and how many is it successful in. The next tab over, we can see the average response time from all locations that are selected. The next we can see what type of frequency we have for the monitoring itself. And then the package it's associated to, the last response time, and then from there on out we have every single monitoring node that it monitors from. Some of the options that we have available here is we can actually take and customize this. So rather than seeing it in these big long milliseconds, we can click down here and show it in seconds. Maybe that makes a little bit more sense. Rather than seeing the last response times, we can click here to see what the 24-hour average is in regards to response times for the average and the last locations. Another thing that we can do in regards to customization, if we click on our settings tab here, is we can select which of the devices we show, whether we want postponed devices or all devices being shown. Also, in regards to locations, do we want it to automatically show just the locations where monitoring is active, or manually we can select any locations that we'd like. Then we have options for other columns, so we can completely customize that any way we like it. And then we can show, like I said, the options here, whether it's going to be last 24 hours, seconds, or milliseconds. And then we can pick how often we want to refresh the data. Another thing to see here from the performance dashboard screen is if we click on any of these response times, it will bring up a quick chart to show us the last 10 responses from that location, or from all locations if we select the average. From here we can continue to add more and more locations to see, was this response time here from Seattle just an outlier, or is this pretty average? It looks like it's an outlier in this case. Additionally, from this screen we can click on Online Report, and then we will see the online reports. For more information on the online report feature of the Dotcom-Monitor suite of tools, make sure you check out our Quick Start guide for our online reports. Thank you and have a great day.